Okay, Sammy, you got the Jaguar set up right here. Obviously, this is the back of the van. I put my solution line here because I use that a lot. I have my water hose here because I use that to kind of touch and go. Because sometimes what I do is I top off my water with this hose. Also, that hose there I use for my discharge. When I'm discharging the wastewater. So this hose I kind of keep loose and move it around as I need it. This is what you see here. This feeds, there's a pump out filter in here. So the dirty water goes here and the pump out filter's inside. This helps prime and clean the pump out filter. I'll show you how I did that. This pump out filter, I connect my freshwater line here. So it feeds water into here, and I have these two little valves, one here and one here. This, if I open, it'll shoot water to that filter over there. This will shoot water up this hose to the filter and help prime it and help clear it. I got my diesel heater here. My hose reel for my vacuum is it's a V49, so it's 49 inches high. It's not exactly 49 inches, but they call it 49 inches, so it fits in this NV with no problem. That's how I did. I put a piece of plywood down, painted it, and then I put all my equipment to it. And then my generator I have right here. Make sure my exhaust is coming out. It's not, it's venting out of the van. And I have a Predator 8750 from Harbor Freight. It's $599, $600. You can't go wrong. I bought cords to go from the generator to the Jaguar. They're 5-foot extension cords, 12 gauge, I believe. I kept them short so it doesn't have such a long travel for the electric. Keep it nice and short. And that's pretty much it. And there's the hose reel. Oh, I hang my wand right in here. Just a little clip up there, that's all, no big deal. You do it any way you want. I got some stuff hanging up here. Upholstery tool, grout brush. And that's just a light, stick-on magnetic light from Harbor Freight. That's what that is. And that's it, buddy.